Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be looking at two products, or well, we're going to be unboxing two products from BitFenix, and these are the BitFenix Recon and the BitFenix Hydra Pro fan controllers. I'm also going to be reviewing these in one single review. Alright, so let's start with the Hydra Pro. This seems like the least interesting, so let's start with this one, or at least the least special one. So yeah, we've got the Hydra Pro. This is the box. On the front you have an image of the fan controller and the name, as well as the BitFenix logo. Inside we have a BitFenix logo. On this side we have specifications, really just all specifications about the fan controller. On the top we have the BitFenix website and again the name and the thing that's inside, logo here. On this side we have what it features and a little technical image. So let's open this up now. So there's some plastic around it, so we gotta take that off first. So the fact that it has the plastic means that it's not been opened yet. And I see that there's also a little seal here, so that also says that it's not been opened yet. So we gotta break the seal, of course, too. And then we can open up the box and see what's inside. Alright, so right here we have a quick installation guide. Normally fan controller isn't really difficult, it's just connecting fans with cables to a little controller. So yeah, that's a very simple manual. Let's put that aside for a second. You get 4 screws included to install the controller, of course, and I think right here we have the controller itself immediately with all the cables. Alright, so this is very nice to see. All the cables are already attached to the controller. That's very nice, because I've had, when I installed the fan controller before, I had to attach all these cables to them, and sometimes it's very difficult. But okay, this right here is the fan controller. These knobs are very nice, and I think it's like this. It's supposed to be like this, I think. If this is the, yeah, this is the left side, and this is the right side. So this is actually a button for LEDs, by the way. So you have an LED on-off switch, and then you have a control for 5 fans, and then right here you have a little power LED. I'm not sure what it actually indicates exactly. Perhaps just that there's power on this thing, or I don't know. I'll cover that in the review, of course. So right here, the fan controller. Alright, let's now have a look at the Recon. I'm gonna put these guys aside here for a second. And then we can have a look at the BitFenix Recon fan controller. So let's have a look at the box first. On the front you have the Recon, you have an image of it, some specifications. You can actually connect this to an internet connected mobile device, for example, or an internet connected device. So like a laptop or a smartphone, and then you can control the fan controller using that device, using that application. So here again you have the BitFenix logo, it's quite the same. Here you have specifications, what this thing can all do. Right here you have again the logo, so on both sides. Then here you have the name and BitFenix website. And on this side you have features and then again a little technical image. So let's open up this box, and it's exactly the same. It's in a little bit of plastic wrapping, so we gotta take that off first. Alright, and then there's of course the little tape there, and then I can open the box. And it's the same as well. So right here you have an installation guide, or probably a little bit more to see. Oh, right here you can download the software for the device controlling through internet. So right here is a manual to install the temperature Sons, I think it's called. I'm not really sure how that's called in English. The temperature measurement tools, let's call it that now, just to give it a name. Anyway, so you guys just tell me what it's named and then I'll know. So you can connect the fans, of course, power supply and all that, and you have a USB connector to connect to your motherboard, so you can actually control it through the internet. I think that's the reason. I'm not sure, but I think it is. And these are, yeah, interfaces for the programs. So right here we have screws included, some of the cables, and these are actually, I think, stickers, so you can actually stick cables to the in your case something, or no, sorry, for the temperature measurement tools. Yeah, that's to stick those somewhere in your case. And right here you have the fan controller itself. So this is actually a touchscreen fan controller, no knobs. And again, most of the cables are connected to the controller itself. So right here, I have it upside down. Right here is the controller. It's got a plastic cover on it right now. I'm gonna leave that on until I start reviewing it. So right here we have all the cables. You can see it has some heat sinks as well, because these things actually do need some cooling from time to time, because they're actually running, I think, 30 watts through this thing. It is 30 watts, yeah, so that can heat up a little. So yeah, that's all the cables. Nothing more to say about that there. So yeah, this was the unboxing of the Recon and Hydra Pro fan controllers from BitFenix. I'm gonna cover these in one review, so watch out for that video soon. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, leave them in the area below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.